Who are those you think you are better than? And what is your parameter for judging them and yourself so? The true size of any human being does not lie in what he has, but in what he gives to his environment. No one is truly useless unless he gives nothing. The fool thinks he is above others. The wise knows he is small in the larger scheme of things. The fool says to himself, "It is my time." The wise says to himself, "It was once another man's turn, and my time is certainly short." When you cheat or defraud another person, you must pay back with your sweat, or with your tears, or with your health, or with your blood. Money will not be enough, and the universe makes sure every debt is paid.